Hi everyone, good evening. I hope I'm audible to all of you. Guys, am I audible? Just let me know in the chat. So let's wait 1 minute for everyone so they can also join. Okay, I think guys, there is a great, I think research came in the field of computer vision. I think you already know. I already published one video today that YOLO 11 actually, right? So have you checked that video guys? YOLO 11, this video, did you check? What is YOLO 11 exactly? And no need to worry, tomorrow actually one more video would be published. There I will show you how we can, let's say, train on top of our custom data. Let's say if you want to fine tune this YOLO 11 model, right, on top of your custom data, how it can be done. So this video also will publish. So this is one of the actually amazing model you will get in the field of computer vision. So let me tell you actually what is YOLO 11 exactly, what are the things you can perform. So let me show you. Yeah, so I think my screen is visible guys, so you can see Alterytics published actually one amazing model called YOLO 11, and this is the YOLO series latest version. So I think you already know YOLO is having different kinds of version like YOLO V3, V4, V5, V6, V7, okay, then V8, V9, 10, and this is the latest version of the YOLO. Okay, with the help of that you can perform object detection. I think they have already mentioned here. Let me show you object detection possibility accuracy. So let me go to the GitHub repository. I think that would be better. YOLO 11 GitHub. So this is the official GitHub of YOLO 11 guys, and this is from actually Alterytics. So if you want to use this YOLO 11, you have to install this Alterytics first of all. Okay, now you can see this is the actually model they have published. You can perform classification, object detection, image segmentation, tracking, pose estimation, as well as you can also perform something called oriented bounding box. Okay, so what is oriented bounding box? Let me show you one example. Let's say just a minute. So let's say there is an object. Let's say there is a aeroplane. I can draw actually in a good way, but I will try to draw. Okay, let's say there is an aeroplane inside an image actually. Okay, now what is oriented bounding box? Now you can see this image is actually orientated. This is not a straightforward image, so it is oriented image. Okay, oriented image. Now how you have to create the bounding box? You have to create the bounding box like that. Okay, so this is called actually oriented bounding box. That means O B B. Okay, oriented bounding box. So this task actually you can also perform with the help of this YOLO 11. Okay, so amazing. With the help of only one model, you can perform classification, detection, segmentation, tracking, pose estimation, as well as you can also perform oriented bounding box. Okay, now let me show you the model view. Actually, they're having different model view. So you can see here, this is the detection model view. So here you are having all kinds of detection model. Now you can see YOLO 11N. That means this is the nano model. Let me just open the chat. Okay. So you can see this is the nano model. This is the S means is the smallest model. Okay. Then medium model. L means this is the large model. And you can see we are also having something called X model. That means this is the X large model. Now you can ask me how we can select this particular model. Okay, based on your task, actually you'll be selecting the model, because you can see here it is also having the parameter size. So this nano model is having 2.6 million parameter. Then S model is having 9.4 million parameter. Okay. Then this one actually, medium model is having 20.1 million parameter, 25 million parameter, and 56 million parameter, almost 57 million parameter. Okay. Now let's say there is a task you want to perform. You need faster inference time. Let's say you want to perform real-time object detection. So there won't be any kinds of latency. That time what you can do, you can go with the smallest version of the model, because this is the lightweight model. Okay, this is the lightweight model you can use. So they have also given the speed. You can see this is the speed on the CPU. Even they have also given the speed on the GPU as well. Okay, and this is the flow. Okay, so that's how actually you can select the model. But there is, let's say, a task you want to perform. It's like very sensitive task. You are working in the field of medical domain, let's say. Okay, that time what you can do, you can use any bigger model which is having more parameter, because this bigger model will give you the more accurate results. Execution time would be a little bit slow, but you will get more accurate results, because in the medical domain speed doesn't matter. Okay, we only need the good accuracy at the end, because it's a sensitive, actually, let's say, field you are working on. But let's say you are doing something called real-time object detection. Let's say you want to detect car, you want to detect motorcycle, you want to detect helmet. That time you need a faster, let's say, inference time. That time you can go with lightweight model. Okay, so that's how you can select different kinds of model from the YOLO 11. Now this is the segmentation series. You can see segmentation is also having different model. Again, the nano, small, medium, large, and X large. Then we are also having something called classification model as well. Medium, small, sorry, nano, small, medium, large, and X large. Then we're also having something called pose estimation model. That means if you want to perform the pose estimation as well, you can also perform with the help of this pose estimation model. Okay, so I already created one dedicated video, guys. Let me show you. So I think in the channel I just published this video. See this video, actually YOLO V11 complete demo. So there I showed you how we can perform these kinds of tasks. Actually, let's say object detection, segmentation, classification, pose estimation, oriented bounding box, all kinds of tasks actually I already perform in my collab notebook. Got it? So make sure, guys, you check the video after this live, so you'll feel amazing. So if you're working in a computer vision, if you want to perform object detection, segmentation, okay, classification, any kinds of task, you can use YOLO 11 model. Okay, no need to use any different kinds of model, because all the, let's say, task has integrated in one model only nowadays. Okay, so no need to, let's say previously what we used to do for classification, we used to use any other model. Let's say ResNet 50, VG16, right? So these are the model we used to use. Let's say I want to perform segmentation. For this, we used to use something called detect and true library. We used to use something called mask RCNN model. Okay, now let's say I want to perform pose estimation. For this, we also used to use something called detect and true framework. But now you don't need to use like different kinds of framework for different kinds of tasks. All the tasks can be performed with the help of YOLO 11 only. You can use Ultralytics package and you can perform the same thing. Okay, now this is like more convenience way actually you got if you want to perform any kinds of task in the field of computer vision. Okay, so that's actually technology is evolving, and you also should update yourself with the latest technology. Got it? It's not like that, let's say whatever you have learned in your previous days in the field of computer vision, GenAI, Python, or let's say NLP. So don't rely on that. Apart from that, whatever new research are coming in the market, try to also explore that as well. Okay, this will help you a lot. Got it? So that's why actually I arranged this live class, so that I can give you some of the, let's say, advice how you can keep yourself updated with, let's say, latest technology. If anything is coming in the market, how we can also get to know that, right? Now, apart from that, this is the oriented bounding box model, guys. Okay, you can see this is the oriented bounding box model, and how to use that I already showed in that video we have published. Okay, now see, I'll give you actually two websites you can follow if you want to update yourself with the latest technology. The first website you can follow called paperswithcode.com. Okay, so this website you will get all kinds of research paper as well as the code implementation. Okay, see, this is the latest research. Actually, you can see trending research, all the research you can see here. So if you want to open the paper, you can also open the paper. Even if you are looking for GitHub implementation, so GitHub implementation is already there. So let's say this is the GitHub implementation. I can open it up. Okay, so it's like very active website if you want to get to know any kinds of research. Okay, in the field of computer vision, NLP, GenAI, all kinds of research are available inside this papers with code.com website. You can also filter out. Let's say I want generative AI related research. You can search here generative AI. So if I search here, see, these are the generative AI related research. Okay, recently I think Meta AI has published one large language model called I think movie generation model mostly. Let me just show you. Movie gen Meta AI. I was just going through some article. Actually, I got to know this movie generation model. So this is actually high quality model they have developed. So this model can generate actually high quality image and videos, okay, from a text prompt itself. You can see the demo. Okay, you can see the demo. It's a high quality image and video it can generate. So all kinds of research paper, all kinds of research article you can get in this website itself. Okay, you can see this is the research paper I think I opened. Now let me open the research paper. So this is the entire research paper. And if you want to get the GitHub implementation as well, see, GitHub implementation is already available. Okay, so that's how we can refer different kinds of website. Okay, different kinds of research website, so that you can at least keep yourself updated with the new technology. So I'm not telling you have to learn that, but at least just keep yourself updated with, let's say there is a task you have to perform in your company. Okay, let's say there is a task. What you have to do, you have to implement something. Let's say there would be a text prompt, you have to generate the video. Okay, you have to generate the video. Now how to generate the video? So definitely what you will do, you will go to the Hugging Face, you will look for the video generation model, the previous, let's say, model, whatever let's say people has published, right? But you don't know about, let's say, Meta AI published one amazing model. This model can generate high quality image, high quality video. Okay, so that is what I'm telling you guys. At least just try to get some idea on the new research, so that if there is any requirement later on, you can learn that. Let's say I need this technology later on, I can learn it. And learning this technology is very easy nowadays. You can spend 1 hour, you can learn each and everything of a technology. Okay, it's not a big deal. So that is what I always keep myself updated with like that. If I want to learn something, first of all, I refer these kinds of website. I see what kinds of research are coming in the field of Gen AI, computer vision. Okay, then I just try to learn that. Then I try to create the content for you. Okay, so sometimes it is not also possible for me to create all kinds of content from all kinds of research, right? Because I'm only one person, so I have to take care each and everything, right? So that is why, apart from that, whatever I'm teaching in this channel, you just also try to explore by yourself as well. And if you get anything relevant which is necessary or which is, let's say, important in today's world, you can also let me know, sir, this research came in the market, so can you create one video on top of it or not? So I'll try to create that video as well. Okay, also you can suggest me what kinds of content you need from my side. Got it, guys? So please try to go through whatever new research, whatever new video we are uploading. Try to go through at least, and try to also refer these kinds of website if you want to keep yourself updated with the new technology. So that should be my suggestion for all of you. Okay. Yes. So see, all the code implementation they have also given. So no need to look for the code anywhere. In the documentation itself, you can see the code implementation. You can also run from the CLI command. Everything is possible. Only you just need to fire up your Colab notebook, copy the code snippet, and try to test it there. Just give the image location, model location, and if you execute, you will get the results. Nowadays, computer vision is very easy, guys. Even if I show you the Hugging Face, Hugging Face also supports all kinds of computer vision related tasks nowadays. If I go to the model, see, computer vision, you can perform depth estimation, image classification, object detection, image segmentation, text to image. Okay, then image to text, image to image, image to video. Okay, image to video is also possible. Okay, then you have unconditional image generation, video classification, text to video. See, I can use text to video for generating any kinds of video from a text prompt itself. Okay, now Meta AI has released one model, right? Movie generation model. This model also would be available in the platform. If you don't know about the model, then how you'll get, use that model, right? So that's why I'm telling you guys, always try to refer these at the website. All kinds of vision related tasks also you can perform. It's not like that Hugging Face you have to only use for the natural language processing. No, you can perform computer vision, you can perform audio related tasks, you can also perform tabular, you can also perform reinforcement. Okay, so all kinds of things they have integrated. Even I'm enjoying a lot. Whenever I implement any kinds of project, I always try to refer this Hugging Face, okay, because inside Hugging Face everything is available right now. Okay, so no need to train the model from scratch nowadays, guys. Previously we used to train the model from scratch, but nowadays all kinds of models are available. Only you just need to think about the application, how your application would be look like, how you will be creating that application, what will be the pipeline and all. This one you have to take care. Model wise you will get everything. And if you have any specific custom data, that time what you can do, you can perform the fine tuning operation. You can create the RAG based application, and I already covered in my YouTube channel, right? I think you already know we are having some playlist related generative AI Python, right? So there I already clarified how to do the fine tuning, how to perform the RAG operation. Even going forward, I will also create content related computer vision, right? So there also I'll teach you how we can also fine tune computer vision related model as well. So that is why I'm also uploading these kinds of content. Let's say whatever content is coming in the market, this YOLO and whatever, actually I'm also uploading, so that you can at least get to know these kinds of resources coming in the market, and we can use this model for this particular task. Got it, guys? So if you have any query, guys, you can let me know, guys. Please let me know if you have any query. Going forward, I will also create content related company. Any query from anyone? So if you don't have any query, guys, so I think we can end the live. Otherwise, I can continue. Let me know if you have any query related any topic in my channel. Definitely, it will help you a lot. So I think now we can end the session if you don't have any query. And thanks for joining. Thank you, guys.